I'll be showing you how to open a Starling bank account using your phone. It's super simple, and you'll have everything set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, head to the App Store if you're on an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Starling Bank and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. You'll see the welcome page. To begin, tap on the Get Started button at the bottom. Next, from the list of options, choose Open New Account. This is where you'll pick the type of account you want. Now, you'll see 3 options: personal, business, and joint accounts. For this tutorial, we're going with a personal account, so tap on that. On the next screen, you'll see a quick overview of what Bank offers. Tap Apply Now to continue. Starling will let you know that they'll ask for your personal details, a picture, and will check your information with a credit reference agency. Once you're ready, tap Start Application. The first piece of info they need is your phone number. Type that in and tap Next. After that, you'll fill in the rest of your personal details: your name, date of birth, address, and other basic information. Just follow the prompts to complete everything. And that's it. You've now successfully applied for your Starling bank account. The app will let you know if anything else is required, but you're basically done. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.